Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to be introducing a must-have kit for any true mechanic and garage service enthusiast. The ARES 70318 10-piece sensor service set comes with everything you need to remove and replace and repair most of your physical sensors on the vehicle. This true master set comes with a variety of oxygen sensor sockets and wrenches, oil sending sockets, and vacuum switch and diesel injector sockets, and even includes your thread repair tools for your M12 and M18 thread types found on many types of sensors. This set includes a 29mm half-inch drive vacuum switch socket, a 22mm 3/8 drive vacuum switch socket, a 27mm half-inch drive injector socket, 27mm 3/8 drive oil sending unit 1-inch socket, and a 27mm 3/8 drive oil sending 1 1/16 socket, 22mm half-inch drive heated O2 sensor socket, and your 22mm 3/8 drive 6-point offset O2 sensor wrench, 22mm 7/8 half-inch drive deep offset O2 sensor socket, along with your M12 by 125 O2 sensor rethread tool and an M18 1.5 O2 rethread tool. All of these tools are made with a professional grade heat-treated Chrome Vanadium Steel and have a black manganese phosphate finish for added durability and corrosion resistance and overall tool life. So let us see how this set can save you time and headaches on the job. Here we have a 2000 Toyota Sienna that needs to have the O2 sensor replaced. To get to the O2 sensor can be tricky, therefore the ARES 70318 sensor service kit comes with a few options for O2 sensors in different applications. As we can see here, the amount of obstruction in the way, we're going to opt to use the 22mm 7/8 offset. If we have a straight shot at the sensor, we could easily use the O2 sensor socket also included. If in the unfortunate incident that the threads become damaged, maybe the sensor is seized and you have to heat it up to remove it, and the housing is damaged, or you accidentally cross thread in a new sensor into the port, the provided thread chasers have you covered. They include the M12 and the M18 thread chasers, which easily repair the ports, the threads on the ports, allowing you to complete the job and easily do it without worry. In addition to the O2 sensors, which are probably the most commonly serviced items this set is designed for, these tools also cover service jobs as well as vacuum switches, diesel injector, and oil sending units. Well, there you have it, folks, the ARES 70318 Master Sensor Service Set. It has all the tools you need to tackle these sensor replacements and repair jobs quickly and easily, and stores neatly in the provided case. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.